Hey, thanks for watching me rip cards. Just wanted to actually introduce you to a podcast I'm a part of. I produce this podcast called Rink Stories. That's my partner, Bob, who facilitates the show. Say hey, Bob.
Hello, everybody.
We actually talk Northeast hockey. His son is a hockey goalie, so we kind of put a slant. Hockey moms. We had a hockey mom panel. We've had Zamboni folks on from Zamboni, coaches, players, NWHL, which is now the Premier Hockey Federation. So check us out everywhere podcasts are. What's the name of the podcast again, Bob?
It's the Rink Stories podcast, which is available wherever podcasts are found.